So this is the recording for assignment number 3. Just this one loads up a little bit faster. The requirements were to place waypoint nodes. So these are the pre-placed waypoint nodes. I'll show you how to place them in a second. And do an A star between the ones that are placed. So my visualization is a little different. If you go close to one of them, all the nodes it's connected to get highlighted. So those three are the ones that are connected to this one. If I go close to this one, then those two get highlighted, and so on. If I want to do a path find, I just select something and I hit F, and it does a path find up there. I can deselect that, and then if I go to, say, this side and select this one and do a path find from here, you can see that one's getting highlighted and one like up there is getting highlighted, and this basically goes back and follows a different path over to the same side up there. So yeah, that's the pathfinding part of it. Let me just go and deselect that one. So oops, deselected that. If you want to place nodes, you just like fly anywhere and you can hit P and it places a node on the ground. You select it and you say you want to connect it to this one and maybe this one. Oops, no, I hadn't selected. Alright, so these two are connected now. I'll just go and deselect that thing. So yeah, these things are in a triangular connection now, so these two are connected, and that one right there is connected to this one as well. Let's see if I want to select this thing and connect back to this. So now these two are also connected. Let's go back up. So now these two are connected, and if I want to connect it to this one as well. So now this node that I just placed is connected to those four. There's like a triangular connection between these three, and that one is like separately connected. So if I deselect that, and then I can just hit space and save that old file. And if I want to run it, I actually have to load it up in non-editor mode. So yeah, these are all the waypoints that are already there, and these like the dialog prompt would show this because the new ones got placed. So these are the ones that just got placed in here. And yeah, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna load this thing up and show you that those things still exist, and that I can do path finds from them as well. So let's go back down here. So I believe that was the one I just placed. Yeah, that one. And it's connected to everything it needs to be connected to. No, sorry, it's kind of symmetric. It was this one that I just placed. And it's connected to everything it needs to be connected to. And if I supposedly want to do a path find for this one, the one that I just placed, select that, and if I hit F, it still does the path find. So I can just go and run around and do all the path finds and stuff. Just deselect that. If I select this one again and do a path find, it still does it properly. So yeah, that's the pathfinding stuff, and right now it's just pathfinding up to the flag. In the next assignment I can show you that it can pathfind to anywhere. Like the functions are built in. Just for this one I've coded it in